Ever feel that little tickle in your throat and you just know something's coming? Well, today we're going to whip up a super powerful, all-natural flu bomb right in your own kitchen. I'm telling you, it's fresher, way more potent, and a whole lot cheaper than anything you can buy. All right, let's dive in. So, you've seen those tiny wellness shots at the grocery store, right? The little ginger and turmeric ones that cost a ridiculous amount of money. I mean, some places like Trader Joe's, they'll charge you $2, maybe more, for a tiny 2-ounce shot. It's crazy. But the good news is, there is a much, much better way. Look at this comparison. When you make this at home, it's a total no-brainer. The cost just plummets. You're using ingredients that are at their absolute peak freshness. And, maybe the most important part, you guarantee you're getting the maximum nutritional potency because you are in complete control of the whole process. Okay, so let's dig into the problem we're solving here. Section 1, the pricey wellness shot. We're going to talk about why those little bottles just aren't giving you the best bang for your buck. And here it is, the big promise. We're going to show you exactly how to skip the store altogether and make a version that is just worlds better, right from your own kitchen. And trust me, it's way easier than you think, and the payoff is huge. All right, it's time to gather our tools. Let's assemble our kitchen arsenal. These are the powerful, all-natural ingredients that are going to be the backbone of our flu bomb. Just look at this lineup. We're talking fresh turmeric and fresh ginger root. That's where you get that incredible, vibrant power. A nice potent clove of garlic, a fresh organic lemon for that massive vitamin C hit, and raw unfiltered honey. Manuka is amazing if you can get your hands on it. Then we've got our apple cider vinegar, and this is key, make sure it says with the mother on the bottle. And to finish it off, a little cinnamon and some black pepper. And that pepper is not just for flavor, it's absolutely crucial for helping your body absorb all the good stuff from the turmeric. Have you ever wondered what that cloudy stuff is at the bottom of an apple cider vinegar bottle? That's the mother, and you definitely don't want to get rid of it. That's actually where the magic is. It's a colony of good bacteria that holds so much of the nutritional punch. So next time you're buying it, look for that cloudy goodness. Okay, now this next part. This is where we get into the real secrets. We're diving into the pro tips for peak potency. See, it's not just about what ingredients you use, it's all about how you prepare them to really unlock their full power. And this quote right here, it just says it all. The secret isn't some fancy, expensive ingredient. It's all in the technique. The way you handle these really simple things can make a world of difference in how effective they are. Okay, here are the 3 big secrets you need to know. First up, the garlic hack. After you chop or press your garlic, don't use it right away. Just let it sit on the cutting board for about 10 to 15 minutes. That little pause is what activates all its beneficial compounds. Second, the turmeric steep. You'll bring your fresh turmeric and ginger to a boil in some water, but then you kill the heat immediately and just let it steep. And number 3, the vitamin C secret. And this one's a game changer. Never, ever add your lemon juice to hot liquid. Heat absolutely destroys vitamin C. You have to wait until that water is just lukewarm. So we've prepped our ingredients. We've unlocked their power. Now it's time for the final assembly. Let's put this incredible flu bomb all together. Okay, we're on the home stretch. Just 4 simple steps. First, strain that gorgeous, colorful turmeric and ginger water into your glass or your jar. Step 2, now that the liquid has cooled down, you can go ahead and mix in your cold ingredients, the lemon juice and the apple cider vinegar. Third, it is time for that activated garlic to join the party. And finally, step 4, you just stir in your honey to sweeten it up, add a dash of cinnamon and a few good cracks of that super important black pepper. And hey, here's a little joke to help you remember one of the most important rules. Why did the hipster burn his tongue? Because he drank his tea before it was cool. It's a silly little reminder, but seriously, for this drink, cool isn't just about being trendy. It's about protecting all those amazing nutrients. So, you've made your flu bomb awesome. Let's wrap this up with the final verdict and some really practical advice on exactly how to drink it to get the best results. So remember, serve this lukewarm or even cold, but never hot. You want to give it a really good stir right before you drink it, because all the good bits of garlic and spice are going to settle at the bottom. And look, this isn't really a sipping tea, it's a shot. You just want to down it. For the best freshness and potency, make sure you drink it within about 3 days. And if you're really feeling under the weather, go ahead and try having it a couple of times a day. And that pretty much wraps up our explainer. It really makes you think though, doesn't it? With just a few simple, fresh ingredients and a couple of smart techniques, you can create something incredibly powerful. So it begs the question, What other amazing remedies are already hiding out in your pantry, just waiting for you to discover them?